Soccer 605, I'm here with Coach Lang Wiedermeyer, head coach of the SDSU women. Just finished up the Jackrabbit Invitational and a very good day for your women today.
Yeah, I thought that it was a tough game. Northern Illinois played very well. We had some chances, hit the crossbar a couple times. It's credit to our girls, they were able to pull it out.
You know, the one thing I was really impressed with your girls in much of the game, probably 3/4 of it or maybe even more, every time there was an individual battle somewhere, they were winning that.
Yeah, I thought we did a fairly good job with that. I think that we put ourselves into some of those probably unnecessarily, but to their credit, they came out with a lot of those 1v1s, and some players made some big plays, either 1v1s as the last defender or having to use their body in a certain way. So they did all right.
You know, and also when Northern Illinois had the ball in there defending third, we noticed all over the field your girls were cutting those lanes off and marking up, and it made it really difficult for them even to get out of their end a lot of times.
Yeah, I think that something we've worked on, and we pressed them a little bit and created some chances out of that. So we've just got to be able to make it even more dangerous on our end.
Well, you got a nice win. You got a good tie against a very good Nevada Reno team. You got to be pretty pleased with the results of the weekend.
Yeah, I think that, and again, we go to Friday night. I thought they were a good, solid team, but I thought we were better, and I thought we created. When you have 27 shots, you just hope somewhere along the line, the law of averages, one of those is going to go in. So we were a little disappointed that we tied, but tie is better than a loss, and then being able to come out and get a win right at the end of the game on Sunday was big for our players.
Well, your team's going into the middle part of the season and into conference play, looking in pretty good form. So we were having high hopes for South Dakota State soccer this year.
Well, we've got a lot of games before we hit the conference, and some tough teams, including Kansas here in a couple weeks at home, which will be a real exciting game. It's the first time they've come up to Brookings. But we've got, we played Drake and Northern Iowa before that, and then North Dakota rounds out the rest of our non-conference season.
And then the one we're all looking for, down the road here, USD's traveling back here, and the way that they're developing that program, that should be the best ever game between your two schools, I think.
Well, we had some pretty tight games in the Division II era, but you're right. And really, last year was a tough game. It was 0-0 right into the last minute, and something kind of similar today. We scored off of a kind of a rebound on a corner kick, and right at the end of regulation. So, yeah, they've done a good job there, and I'm sure it's going to be a tough game.
Well, we're looking forward to it. Your teams have contrasting styles and contrasting colors and contrasting histories. It should really be a whale of a game. But thanks so much, Coach, for all the access this weekend. Best of luck, and hope your team stays healthy through the season.
Great, thanks, Randy.